Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking oil level and condition in your 2007 Honda Pilot. Use the dipstick and add oil to reach 5 quarts if needed. Perform a full oil change before you reset the maintenance reminder to maintain proper engine health. Also replace the oil filter and dispose of used oil responsibly. Make sure the parking brake is set and the vehicle is on level ground. Do not reset if the service was not actually performed. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine to power the dash. Use the trip/select button on the instrument cluster to display the oil life percentage. Press and hold the select/reset button firmly for 10 seconds to initiate the reset sequence. Watch the oil life display blink or change as the system records the reset. When the procedure completes, the oil life should read 100% on the display. If it does not, repeat the hold and reset step once more. After resetting, confirm the instrument cluster shows 100% oil life and no maintenance messages. If the oil light or maintenance minder still appears, turn the ignition off and repeat the reset procedure once. If repeats fail, consult a Honda dealer or qualified mechanic for an electronic diagnostic. Remember to reset only after you have changed the oil and replace the oil filter correctly. Keep records of the oil change date and mileage for future maintenance tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.